Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the previous video I did the unboxing of my new GoPro Hero 10 and the media mode. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and check it out. So in the today's video I'm gonna test the audio quality of this media mode without installing the external mic. So I wanted to check the sound quality of the media mode's mic. So let's find out whether you can really depend on these mics for vlogging. So without wasting much time, let's start the video. So before starting the video, I would like to show you my GoPro settings. So as you can see, you just have to click over here and you can see the edit button. Just click over here, then slide down. As you can see, the wind reduction is on. I always keep it on because of the wind noise. So never keep it off, otherwise you will get a lot of wind noise in your video. So always keep this wind noise reduction on. So, and the other thing is, beside that you can see the media mode, and there is the multiple option: the camera mic, the back mic, which is this one, and the front mic. So we're gonna test the back mic and the front mic. So let's start the video. So hey guys, welcome back. So right now I am shooting from my back mic of the media mode, and my helmet visor is open, and also my wind noise reduction is on. So this is how it sounds like. I hope you can hear my voice clearly. So now I am cruising at the speed of 60, as you can see. Now let's increase the speed and see. So this is how it will sound on the higher speed. I have to speak very loudly because my helmet visor is open. I hope you can hear my voice. So now I am recording with my helmet visor closed. So I hope you can hear my voice, and this is what it sounds like. Hello, 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 mic test, mic test, mic test. Hello. So hey guys, right now I am recording from my front mic. So this is what it sounds like, and my helmet visor is open. So this is the audio quality of the media mode front mic. So now I'll close my helmet visor and let's see how it sounds. So now my helmet visor is closed, guys. I hope you can hear my voice clearly. Let me hold it. So I hope you guys got the idea how is the audio quality of the media mode. So if you speak with your visor open, it will catch up your voice very clearly, and there will be wind noise even at the lower speed, as you saw in the video. And if you close your visor and if you speak, it will hardly catch up your voice. So that is the thing. And in the next video I'll install my external mic to the media mode, and let's see how it sounds. And this time I'm not gonna use my favorite GoPro mic adapter. So let's see how it sounds in the next video. So that's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.